Today I'm going to be checking out this plasma cutter here from BestArc. I recently did a video testing out their welder, small little welder. I really liked it a lot. So when they offered me also to be able to do this plasma cutter, I absolutely said yes, because I really liked the other one. I think I'm going to really like this one. So they did send this to me so I could do this video. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get out of the box, I'm going to show you everything that this thing comes with. Then we're going to go and cut some metal with it. I'm excited. Alright, and this is the plasma cutter out of the box. It comes with the manual, of course, and it comes with the main plasma cutter. This one is 110 or 220 volt. So it comes with the 220 plug on it like normal, but it also comes with this adapter to run it on 110. Comes with an air hose and some fittings here in a bag that is for the torch, and this is some thread tape, a little tool to use for the head of the torch, the ground clamp, and then of course the torch itself. It already has everything set up in it when it comes, from the factory out of the box. So it has this already there. These are spares for you to use when you consume, because they're consumables, and that's everything. So this plasma cutter is not very big at all. I mean, look at it, it's pretty small. I like the fact that it's real small and easy to move around. It's got an LCD display. This is your gas regulator. It's where you hook up your torch and your ground clamp here. This is just a plug to cover the air connection for the torch. Very cool. And then on the back of this thing, it has the on and off switch, and then this is where you put your air from your compressor into it. And that's it. So don't need to mess with much back here. Just know where your switch is. And then all of your settings are right here. Let me get this thing hooked up to some power. We're going to try it out. So this was the first time that I've really used a plasma cutter. I did play with one many years ago, just real quick, just testing out what a plasma cutter was. And ever since then, I've wanted one. Now this one is not a huge plasma cutter. It's a nice lightweight little plasma cutter, but it still packs a ton of power. It lets you do, again, the 220. I did this on 110, cut through this, no problem. Now my skills definitely need to get better, but just from that little bit of time that I used it here, I already started kind of getting a motion on how to get this thing cut through. This is pretty good size metal. My plan is to use this also to cut up some shipping containers I have at my property. So I'm going to be cutting some doors and things like that into it. And I don't think I'm going to have a problem at all. I'll have access to 220 if I need it. But I mean, the way it cut through this, I bet I won't need anything more than 110. I used my little pancake compressor. It's a little 6-gallon, not a very high-end compressor. It's a basic, cheap $99 compressor, I think is what it was. Compressor was easily able to keep up. I cut that entire shelf right there. Doesn't even look like the tip was hardly used. It's just got a little bit of carbon on it, but that's it. Didn't pop any breakers or anything like that with this. So based on the little guide that I have up here, it tells me how many amps I need to be using and how much air pressure I need to be using. So I use that guide up here to figure it out. I read through the manual, which is really simple. Got all this put together. If you've never owned a plasma cutter before, this is an awesome machine to start with. Now, that doesn't mean this is a beginner's machine. It's just really easy for someone to be a beginner and understand how to use this and get going. But based upon the settings that it has, I mean, this is a very powerful little plasma cutter. Of course, there's going to be others that are much bigger and you can cut through more metal, but I think this would cover pretty much 90% of the people that want to be able to cut metal and do some welding. Now, of course, longevity, well, we'll have to see. Time will tell, but so far, I love this thing. And I can't believe I waited so long to get a plasma cutter. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.